Good morning, people. So, no time to dilly-dally. Part 2 of the, what are we calling it? Bedside table, cabinet, dresser, shelf. Ding. Part 2 is sorting out the base. So, we've got the U-shaped cabinet against the wall. Under that and slightly recessed is the plinth or kickboard or footboard or base. And the measurements say 80 wide, so 800 wide, 170 deep. I'm trying to work that out in feet and inches, and I can't, not that quickly. And 350 for the sides. So I'm going to cut that now, put it together, pocket holes I think this time, and nothing. Then it'll be ready for sanding. I'm going to leave the two pieces separate until I'm installing it, and then I'll pocket hole them together. So I'm going to make those pocket holes ready, but I'm not going to actually put it together so it's easier to transport. Where's the camera lens? There. So let's film that. Oh, by the way, stay tuned to the end of this video for the 750 subscriber giveaway. Thank you very much. So what I didn't tell you was I'd run out of offcuts. So with the plunge saw, I chopped 340 across the 1220 board, so the 4 foot width of the inch ply, 3/4 inch ply, sorry. I chopped 340 across, and then I've just split the 340 into 2 because I need 170 high all the way around. So we have from here to here, this section is going to be the front plinth, toe kick or plinth. And then we have 1, 2, which are the sides that go to the wall with the front. So crosscut sled, get those pieces together. Don't worry, I'll fast forward the next bit. Spare. Oh yes, 75. So the measurements of the dress I've already made is 800 wide, 350 depth. I think doing this at 80 is not so much of a toe kick, it's just an extension. And I was specifically asked to make it that way. So now, if we total with 36, we should be about 14 mil. Half an inch, 79. What I'm thinking is this base should be sitting inside the top dresser part. Otherwise it's not really a toe kick, it's more like as I said, just a continuation. So, but also, can you tell I'm thinking as I'm talking? Also, 10 mil, or sort of, what is that, 5/16 or something, is not really enough of a recess. Let me think, will you? 350. I'm going to make it smaller. I just don't think it will look good if it's the same size as the top part. So I'm going to make it 70. And that'll be in 700 mil. Just over 2 feet. 2 feet 4 inches. This way will leave almost 4 inches, so 2 inches each side. And then if I take 50 off of these, that'll be there. So it'll sit basically 2 inches inside the top part. It makes more sense, doesn't it? I think that makes more sense. Let's measure again. To me, that makes more sense. I'm no doubt wrong. So 70. As soon as the piece is above sort of 2-3 inches, I sort of mark top, bottom and middle, just to avoid any errors. Sorry, should I account for the plinth against the wall in the house, the plinth that's already there, on both, or just cut one straight? Because one you can't see, it's in the corner of the room. The other one needs a sort of fancy 3 different shape tracing around the plinth. New radio, the old one broke. I thought if I get a yellow and black one, it might look like Dewalt and fit in better. And no, it didn't cost £285 or dollars. But it does fit in, after costing £60. The last one got dust in it, I believe. Well, that happened. The other thing I wanted to tell you was, although I was joking about sawdust and coffee and them being mixed, and I'm sure that doesn't make you cough, but not wearing a mask does. Since basically beginning of lockdown, which is a year ago, I've on and off had a cough and it corresponds to when I've been in here without a mask. I finally worked it out after thinking I had coronavirus 40 times. So, got to be wearing those masks, he says. Favourite pocket screws. If you're going to mount your Craig jig on something, which I'm sure you are, you probably have the same problem as me. This is in the same drawer, but always rolling around, and if I don't put them back at the same time, I lose it. So it's worth putting an angled hole in your board to hold it in. Well, I think it is anyway, obviously. I'm going to try and do this your way around. Be all right. I purposely forgot to put the glue on. No, it doesn't need it. You know it doesn't need it. Not like I'm trying to change a wheel on a McLaren. So there we go. This side is shorter than this side. The reason for that is the bed is here, the cabinet is here, bed is there. This is the wall, there's a wall. So you're only seeing this side and the shelves here. This needs to go over the plinth, so I need to trace out the plinth this side. This side is not going to be seen, so it can just butt up against the plinth. That's why they're two different lengths, these sides. So that's all good. God damn it. I hope you noticed the mistake, that the pocket holes for going inside the cabinet are on the outside. So it's the wrong damn way around. Why don't you tell me? You wait until I do something stupid. Then you tell me. It'd be easier on both of us if you told me beforehand. God damn it.